Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Python video.
When you have if statements, and the way we've looked at them so far, you have if this is true, do something, otherwise just skip it altogether. Well, sometimes what you really want to do is you want to have an ability to do something different if it's false. And that's where the if-else statement comes in. And with the if-else, you come down, you ask your question. If it's true, you do one set of statements. If it's false, you do others. And then you come back after the if is over, or after the else, and you start executing commands after that. So that is the if-else statement. And that gives us a little more ability and things we can do. So we take our basic if, and we say if, in this case, x equal y. If that's true, we want to print the x equal y. Otherwise, and notice that my indent is back in line with the if. I say else, colon, and then I'm indented again for this block of text. And let's just print something. And I'm going to copy that line and then say x not equal. Because if it's not, if it's false, the equal is false, then it would be not equal. And I still have my after the if, so you can see that it comes back together afterwards. So when I run this, it says 5 equals 5 and after the if, because I had x and y at 5. This was true. It did the true statements. And it skips over the else. It doesn't even look at that if it's true. But if I make it false, now it says the 5 not equals 6. It tested the condition. The condition was false. So it said, well, if it's false, go in and do whatever the else says. And that is the if-else. And that gives us the ability to have two different outcomes depending on whether or not the statement we were looking at was true or if it was false.
Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.